This is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. Very excited to have Vanpackers back on the channel. A couple years ago, we did a tour of their minivan camper kit. You guys love that one. Well, check this one out. This is their new kit for the SUV, and Mary and Louise are gonna show us how it all puts together. So join us for the tour.
Hi Patrick, thanks for having us today. I'm Mary.
And I'm Louise.
And from Vanpackers, we're based in Montreal and we do conversion kit, no-build conversion kit for minivans, SUVs, small cargo van, and we do ship all over Canada and US directly to your door. So today we're gonna show you our brand new conversion kit for SUVs that will fit in most of SUVs on the market, like big SUV, small SUV. The vehicle it's installed today is the Mitsubishi Outlander EV, and we're gonna show you how it's delivered to your house and then how you set up in the car. So this is what the full kit looks like when it's shipped at home with optional mattresses. That will come into a cardboard box shipped by UPS. So you got every boxes and pieces that you need to build a full kit inside your car. That's important to know that this is a no-build solution, so you don't have to modify anything. You just fold all your seats down and then take everything to put it directly inside your car. So we're gonna just put the thing in the back seat before installing the kitchen box and the pantry to the car, and then install the full bed to show you how it works. Every part of the kit is made of birch, pre-varnished, so it's really durable. We have to build a really sturdy solution because before Vanpackers, we started with Le Baroudeur, which is our rental division. So the kits have to be really sturdy, you know, because when you rent something, sometimes you don't take good care of stuff. So that's why we build like this really hard solution with the birch. And it's a really good material because it's really, really strong. So this is the kitchen box. You can have it by itself. You have some drawers that I'm gonna show you once it's installed in the car. So yeah, and you can level up there depending of the bottom of your car. So you see this one is really flat over here. But if you have a car that this part is a bit level up, so you want to have your box a bit like this. So we're gonna put some shim under, and voila. If you only have like this part, that will be adjustable by this. So you're gonna put the screw and level just the kitchen box like this. So once you have it in, you want to be sure that nothing is moving into your car. So it's important to fix it. So we put some strap here. That might change. Keep in mind that it's a prototype, so it's almost finished though, but some few things might change. So you put strap like this here, so nothing is moving. Okay. So what's included with the kitchen box? You got like 2 drawers like this that you can open, so you can put all your camping stuff here. Here you have a place to put your stove. You can buy one from us, or you can use your own propane stove. This, and then you have this really efficient net, which will be used to keep everything in place while driving. So you have some hooks here, so nothing is moving, or you can use it as a kind of a net to put, you know, stuff like this, a towel, a knife, food, or anything. So it's really convenient when you're cooking stuff. You have everything on hands. Also, you have this small board which have slides like this. You can put it on top here, so you have more room to cook. Okay, and you also have some like 3 different places to put a sink. So it'll be easy. Let's have a sink. here, or you can have the half version. So that will go on top of this, and then you have your water jug. So you can just open it like this and get some water on. So before you move on to the other box, let me show you where the things can go to. As I said, there's 3 different places, so you just remove this here. Here you go. And you put this like this. And voila. So this is the pantry part. That will be an extra that you can add to the kitchen box to have a full kitchen in the back. So same systems here. If you want to level up, you're gonna be using those parts, and same strap here. Okay. Ça va jammer avec les trucs verts. Tu vas aller le lever. There is a small pieces here that we use to level the kitchen box. So we're gonna be fix the pantry to the kitchen box with this, and we're gonna put some screws so everything is tightened together. Same here, we have a strap system, so we install it like this. So everything is secure in place. Here you got actually some storage that will be adjustable depending of your cooler or the use that you want to do from this. So this part will be on slide, so that can be slide out of the car. Now it's at the very bottom of the box, but you can put it here or here, so use it as a drawer and put your cooler under. Right now we have like this setup with a big 15 liters cooler. Just open it here, and then you can put the cooler inside like this. And since it's an electric cooler, which is an add-on that you can have with your kit, we sell it at vanpackers.com. The electric cooler can be plugged into the car. So with this, it's really easy to access everything into the fridge by opening it from the top. As you can see now, you got the kitchen box and the pantry ready to be used in the trunk of your car. And now you can see as well that we got the full seats up, so you can totally have the full kit into your car while using your car as an everyday vehicle and using the back seats. And now we're gonna go to the bed part by assemble everything so you have the full kit installed and ready to go. First, you take all the board that you got in the back of the kitchen part, put it aside, we're gonna use it later. And now you have the bridge part, which we're gonna adjust depending of the height of the trunk. From the back seats here, you may have to level up, a little bit. You will do this adjustment just once, and then after, just put some mark on the bridge, so you know exactly where to put your screw, and that will be really easy. It's really a 5-minute conversion, Well, the first time maybe 15 minutes, as I always say, but after you really getting used to it, and it's really, really, really easy to install. We made it foolproof. So, here we go. So we have like 3 crossbars that we have to install like this. This will be the setup for the double bed, but you can have a single bed as well. I'm gonna start with this one, and I'm gonna show you the single bed after. Okay. So you see there is some grooves here, so the crossbar will fit into those grooves. There is some different option. As I said, it's really depend of the single bed or the double bed. It's really like a big puzzle, So same thing here. For the double bed, you're gonna have 8 of them. The single bed, that will be just 4 of them for one side. And there is notch here. So that's where we're gonna put the board. So the board won't be moving. So right now I have the four board to put. As I said, the table is a piece that you will have only if you have the bed inside, because that's the part of the bed. When you go car camping, you need to be really efficient of everything you carry around. So having another table, that might be like taking places from other like important stuff. So we just figured out that we put this piece under the bed. So that's a bed and a table at the same time. So, I will go like this. So you see there is some curve here. It's just that we don't want you to squeeze your finger when you assemble the bed, so that's why. Now we're gonna put the cushions. As you can see, the cushions are a bit wider in the front and narrower here. It's because you can extend the bed, so on the width and on the length. And you want to put your head here, not your feet, okay? Because this part is obviously wider though, so that's more comfortable to be sleeping in. So now for the extended version, you can see that there is 4 holes here. It's because we just extend it like this. Here, and put this part. If you want your bed to be longer, you're just gonna move this. I won't do it right now, but you're just gonna move this board and then put this part here, so the bed will be longer and wider. So there's one more way to set up the bed, and it's the single bed. So while Louise is setting it up, I'm gonna explain you how to use the table as an exterior table. So you see now it's the part of the bed, so you just take it. Okay. And you have the cross stand table, which is included when you get the bed platform. You also got these pieces here, and then you just put the table on top like this. Now it may seem low, it's just because when you sit, into your camping chair, relaxing at the end of the day, you want it to be that high so you can put your beer or your coffee or wine, anything on the table. But if you want to have more surface, you're a cooker, like you want to have some places to cook, you can use this table as an extra surface. So you can have this pole. It's an add-on that you can have with your kit. So you just switch like this. As you can see, that's really way more convenient to cook, and you have like a table here. So while I was showing you the table, Louise is setting up the single bed. So she collapsed this part here and put the bars back, so we can have just a bed on one side of the vehicle and having some space to put your stuff everywhere. And then here you go. That's it. So I'm putting the table back here like this, and this part, here we go. Put a mattress on top. So Louise is about 5'6", so you'll see how long the bed can be. She will be really comfortable for a night in the car. So that's it. You have the full conversion kit for SUV installed in your car.
I'll make sure I put links in the description so the viewers can click along to your website. Pricing is going to be there too. So just so we can get this straight, so you can buy a whole complete kit, and it comes with this box, the sink,
yeah,
the table.
Yeah, if you have the table, yeah,
Okay.
the bed, sorry.
Yep,
Yeah,
and then
sorry.
if the bed, and then if you order the optional mattress, it's one color,
Yeah.
one thickness.
Yeah, one thickness, one color. We won't go thicker. because in some car you can have the roof, you know, very low. So 2 inches is really comfortable, more than enough to be sleeping like a baby inside a car.
And this is like a mid-size SUV.
Yeah,
But,
yeah.
I mean, if you had a bigger one, like a Chevy Tahoe or an Escalade, would this, I guess this would fit. There'd be a lot of extra room.
Yes, yes, totally. And that will be more enjoyable for you. I mean, you will have more space to put everything in place. And since the kit is modular and adjustable, it will be fitting great in big SUVs as well as small SUVs.
And then if you go camping for the weekend and you're done, you could take all this out, 5, 10, 15 minutes, whatever long it takes anybody, put this in the garage, put it away, and then you have your normal car. You just flip up the seats and you're ready to go.
Exactly.
I noticed some extra stuff here. Now, there's an awning. This is something else you guys sell?
Yeah, we do sell the awning, and it's a great addition to the setup, you know, because it's gonna protect you from the sun, the rain, and having an exterior space, you know, to eat or do your stuff. It's really convenient to have, and this is a really must-have when you sleep into your car, mosquito net, because you want to pull your windows down, but you don't want a mosquito to get in during the night, so you put those sleeves on
almost
top.
like a little pillowcase that slides over, but it's mesh.
Yeah, kind of.
See through it.
Yeah, you can see through it, and you can even leave them while you're driving around. So, and it's really like a must-have to add to your setup for car camping.
And this awning just went right into the Mitsubishi roof racks.
Yeah, and it can be installed in any roof rack that you have. It's really easy to clip it.
Awesome. Straight from Overland Expo on their way back up to Canada to go home. This is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you.